Hello, my name is Sharice, and today I will be talking about ethical and social issues related to sustainability and climate change. So first, I'm going to be introducing you to the topic before I get into the video. So, there are 5 reasons why climate change is a social issue and not just an environmental one that I seen on a blog from the Huffington Post that I agree with, and I'm pretty sure there's going to be other humans that's going to agree with me on this too. So, one, farmers, small farmers will feel the effect. Two, rural and urban poor are the hardest to hit. 3, unequal capacity of adaptation. 4, women and children and the elderly will become even more vulnerable. And 5, communities will be forced to relocate. Now we're going to get into the fun stuff that I'm going to talk to you about today. So first, climate change. I will introduce you to climate change and the environmental degradation and explain how food production affects it. Climate change is harming agriculture. As The Guardian said, food is one of the society's keys sensitive to climate. A year of not enough or too much rainfall. A hot spell or a cold snap at the wrong time. Or extremes like flooding and storms can have a significant effect on local crop yields and livestock production. There must be urgent action to stop climate change if the food system is not to collapse in coming decades. Agriculture, with its large contribution to greenhouse gas emissions, will have to be reorganized substantially as part of this process. Crop production can increase if irrigated areas expanded or irrigation is intensified. These may increase the environmental degradation. Agriculture pollutes air, water, and soil. Now, sustainable versus industrial agriculture is what I'm going to move on next. The word sustainable is frequently used today and with very good reasoning. It is only fitting to clarify differences of what makes agriculture sustainable and what makes it industrial. Though, just to make sure we are all on the same page, why should you care? I'm going to tell you some reasons of why you should. One is for your health. For starters, I'm sure we all will agree that health is very, very important. Well, now what would be the point of having a great car to drive, a great house to live in, or just a great life in general? You will want to be healthy. You don't want to be sick all the time, not feeling well. Yeah. On the other hand, though, industrial agriculture is strictly looking for a profit. And so in order to ensure this, they believe that they should use more pesticides and hormones, and that's the way to go and get their profit. Now, there's a lot wrong with that whole entire scenery. Many pesticides and hormones is used in this form of agriculture could very well end up in our food, our environment, which then creates opportunity for health endangerment and food contamination. Second thing will be environment. Once again, the sustainable farmer is aware of their environment by caring for their farm in a way that measures good palatability and minimizing chemical use of like what the industrial use. Sustainable farmers may also maintain the preservation of natural resources like water and soil, which is beneficial to our future generations. With industrial agriculture, there's a large amount of topsoil erosion by which the soil is depleted of vital nutrients due to lack of protection from the elements like wind, sun, rain. There's also depletion of aquifer, which is the underground layer of water-bearing permeable rock, in addition to general environmental damage. The third thing would be soil. Soil is protected and encouraged with sustainable farming through crop rotation and composting methods. Industrial farming, on the other hand, inevitably causes continuous erosion and nutritional depletion of the soil, which I said before, but yeah. And last but not least would be pesticides. Sustainable farmers use minimal pesticides to ensure the protection of the soil, crops, and general environment of their farm. But on the other hand, industrial farming, chemicals are used to protect their crops and animals. Such chemicals are bad for the environment as well. Well, this was an awesome topic. I love talking about this topic. This topic, I would definitely talk about it with anybody because we need to encourage everybody um, to, do farming and grow their own fruits, veggies, grow their own animals, and not use that chemical stuff because that chemical stuff is not good for you whatsoever. And to prepare for our future generation, you know, we need to. So yeah, I thank you and encourage others. Thank you.